Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim Binance cashback rewards. So just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in. I will just tap on my more button in dashboard, and when I was tap on it and after insert I will just find my reward hub, so where I can find my rewards and I can claim it. So when you find your rewards hub programs, just tap on it, and after loading completely, right now I don't have any reward or voucher, but when you just created your recently account, so you will be get a reward program and you will just you use it for the features. So it's very easy and simple. You can just find a reward and claim it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.